Hello, welcome to Mr. Ma's Maths Crash Course. Last lesson in integration, the Crash Course 7, we talked about integrate 1 over 1 plus cosine theta d theta. Then we can use double angle formula, eliminate the 1. Now, let's say we twist the question a little bit. What happens if we ask you, how do you integrate 1 over 1 plus 2 cosine theta d theta instead of 1? A coefficient can be 2, can be 3, or can be 4, or can be anything other than 1. So how do we handle this kind of problem? So in mathematics, we should try to learn really how to compare contrast. So in order to solve this problem, there are some very important formulas we need to know. If we let tangent half theta equal to t, then tangent theta is going to be 2t over 1 minus t squared. There's a double angle formula for tangent 2 theta. If we construct the triangle with this right angle triangle, opposite of theta is 2t, adjacent of theta is 1 minus t squared. And from Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse will be 1 plus t squared. We can say, oh, cosine theta is going to be 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared because the adjacent over hypotenuse. This integration is quite difficult. We should let t equal to tangent half theta with substitution method to solve this problem. So how do we do it? Now, if we let t equal to tangent half theta, then half theta equal to tangent inverse t. So theta equal to 2 times tangent inverse t. Then d theta dt is going to be 2 over 1 plus t squared. Of course, we should recall that differentiate tangent inverse t is going to be 1 over 1 plus t squared. Based on substitution, we integrate 1 over 1 plus 2 times. Okay, now we can substitute cosine theta into 1 minus t squared over 1 plus t squared. And we can substitute d theta into 2 over 1 plus t squared dt. So everything in terms of t, we can solve the problem. So now, after some simplification, we will become integrate 2 over 3 minus t squared dt. Now, this one, we can use some kind of special formula which is provided in the booklet. Integrate 1 over a squared minus x squared dx equal to 1 over 2a ln bracket a plus x over a minus x, close bracket. So this formula normally is provided for integrate 2 over 3 minus t squared dt. You can just quote this formula, which is 2 times, of course the coefficient 2 can bring to the front, 2 times 1 over 2a, for this case a is root 3. So ln root 3 plus t over root 3 minus t plus c. Last minute we can subtract t equal to tangent half theta. So we can solve the problem. So that's the beauty of substitution. Thanks for watching.